about that. As said, he's already got the sting of his field. But I'm telling you, no one liars will hear about that. As
Greater is he that is in me than he that is in the world. There is no fear in love, because perfect love casts out fear. And tonight it's all God. Greater is he that is in me than he that is in the world. There is no fear in love, because perfect love casts out fear. And tonight it's all God.
And now I do believe that Shelly's message is very clear. She said, greater is he that is in me than he that is in the world. What this means is that despite the fact that Shelly and Fraser Pryce fails to win to come first position at the Jamaican national trials, she is not feeling like a failure. Never. Shelly and Fraser Pryce will never feel like a failure, because he that is in her is greater than he that is in the world. She is confident. She also believes that with God everything is possible, right? Now, and I know a lot of people will try to drag Shelly and Fraser Pryce and be like, she is supposed to take the first position. She's supposed to be the best. She's supposed to be in the place of Shericka Jackson. But I just want to remind you that Shelly and Fraser Pryce's main aim is to qualify for the Olympics. Right? Now, she's going back. Right? She's going back. And I do believe Shelly and Fraser Pryce will shock the whole wide world come Paris Olympic 2024, because we all know she is mommy rocket. She never disappoints, right? And now the big question is, do you believe Shelly will take gold medal in Paris Olympic, considering the fact that we have Shericka Richardson, right? We have Shericka Jackson, right? And we have so many great sprinters, right? We have so many great sprinters. We have people from Nigeria. We have people from all over the world. Everybody will be contesting for the gold medal, for the second position and third position. We also have a new queen in town, Tia Clinton, right? And she is very good. She's very good. I've seen her techniques. I've seen the way she runs. And I can definitely promise you that Tia Clinton is going to be one of the top athletes to beat in Paris Olympic. Let me hear your opinion about Shelly and Fraser Pryce, and also don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this YouTube channel and drop your own comment in the comment section.